Hello everyone, welcome to Crafty Story. So in this video we are going to see how to crochet a flat circle, which you can use it as a coaster as well. Okay, so this is how we are going to make a flat circle today. So in this, to make a flat circle, so what all stuff we need is a chain stitch, a slip stitch, and then we are going to use double crochet. You can, instead of double crochet, you can use half double crochet as well, but the count goes same. Let's start with it. So first let's make a slip knot. Okay, so slip knot, and then I'm going to make a chain of 4. Okay, just 4 chains. So what are we going to do is just insert your hook into first chain and then yarn over, pull it back. Okay, and pull back the same thing again. So this is how we do a slip stitch. Now you can see there is one center hole. So these are the chains which we created. So I just added the 4th chain and the first chain. I just joined it using slip stitch. Okay, so we have make a chain of 4 and then a slip stitch. Now as I'm going to do a double crochet, I'm going to chain 3. If you are making a half double crochet, just chain 2, and if it is single crochet, chain 1. Okay, so as we are going to do double crochet, I did chain 3, and then just yarn over, go to the center hole. I mean, not to any chain stitch. So just go to the center hole and do a double crochet. Okay, so we are going to make right now I did one 3 chain, so that is also considered as 1, and this is the second double crochet. So we are going to make 12 double crochet. So 2 are done. I'm going to do 10 more. So if you don't know how to do a double crochet, check out my video on basic crochet stitches. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. You could see 12 double crochet is done. So once you came to the end, what you can do is again we are going to do a slip stitch. Okay, just go to the top chain and pull it like this. Okay, so this is going to be the top. So it should merge with this. If you see, last time I pulled the previous one, so just take the front one, so it will merge easily. Okay, so this is how it looks like. So you can see the circle. So now we are going to build on top of it. It's going to be 24 double crochet. So right now we have 12. So what are we going to do is, in the next round we are going to make in this chain, you can see this top chain. So in this chain, in the single chain, you are going to make 2 double crochet, so which will build 24. Okay, so in the same one, go again, and then so in a single chain you are going to make 2 double crochet. So in the previous row it was 12, so now it's going to be 24. So just increasing the circle, we are just increasing the circle. Okay, so you can see in a single chain I have done 2 double crochet. So the same way I'm going to repeat it till end. So now you can see we have completed 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24. So once you reach the end, again just add it, just make a slip knot with the top one. Okay, so just added a slip stitch. So first we have done a chain of 4 and then a slip stitch, and then we did 12 double crochet. On top of it we did 24 double crochet. So for the third round we are not going to increase the double crochet drastically to 4. So instead I'm going to switch it. So in the first chain we are going to make 1 double crochet, and in the second stitch we are going to make 2 double crochet. So alternatively we are going to make, so it's going to be first 1 double crochet in the first chain, okay, and in the next chain it's going to be 2 double crochet. So right now if you remember, we have 24 double crochet in the previous one, okay, so after this we should have 36 double crochet. So you just go alternatively, so 1 double crochet and then in the next chain 2 double crochet. So I'm just going to repeat it till end. So our third round is done. You can count it. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 23 24 25 26 27 30 31 32 33 34 35 36. So we reached the end. So again go to the top chain of the next one and do a slip stitch. Okay, so in the next row we are going to repeat the same. So it's going to be 48 double crochet. So we are going to repeat it again. So in the first chain we are going to make 1 double crochet, and in the second chain we are going to make 2 double crochet. So once you complete this row you will get around 48 double crochets. So why are we increasing it little by little is to get a good circle. So if you are just drastically doubling it, it won't give a perfect circle. So that's the reason we are increasing it slowly. Okay, so in this layer also same way, repeat it like before. It's going to be 1 double crochet and then 2, again 1 and then 2. Alternatively keep doing it till end. So if you are confusing which one is the end, you can use a paper clip. Just use this as a mark, so you will easily know once you reach the starting place. Okay, so just you can hold it like this. So I'll just keep repeating it till end. So as you can see here we reached the end, so I'm just going to remove this paper clip and do a slip stitch in this. Okay, so you can see now we have 48 double crochet. So similarly, if you want a big one, you can add one more layer. Just keep on doing alternatively. First you start with a single double crochet, and then the next chain you can make 2 double crochets. So that way you can get a flat circle like this. Okay, so this is how we do a flat circle. So you can change the format. I mean, I have done everything with a double crochet. So you can either start with a half double crochet and then you can start building with half double crochet itself, but alternatively, so just gives a neat circle. Okay, so if you have any questions, please post it in comments. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and share and subscribe to Crafty Story. To get the latest update, please click on the bell icon. Thank you guys.